Now let's look at the access request approval flow in Saviynt. The approval process begins when the approver is notified of a new access request. They can access the request via the Saviynt web interface, which is compatible with mobile browsers, or directly through an actionable email, making it convenient to respond virtually from anywhere. Once logged in, the approver can view all relevant details of the request. This includes reviewing the type of access requested, the associated resources, and any business justification provided. The approver now decides how to proceed. They can choose to approve, reject, or discontinue the request. If needed, they can modify or reroute it by adding additional approvers. Once the approver has taken action, the system automatically notifies the user of the outcome, whether approved, rejected, or modified, ensuring complete visibility and tracking throughout the process. This process ensures a secure, traceable, and streamlined process for managing access approvals within an organization.